Students, here we are going to discuss the concept of a capacitor. Now suppose if I am having this conductor, okay, and if this conductor has been given a charge, इसको हमने चार्ज दिया, तो चार्ज देने से क्या हो रहा है, हमको पता है कि चार्ज जो है पोटेंशियल से रिलेट होता है. If we are giving charge, there is definitely increment of electric potential. और इस चार्ज के if we are given a positive charge, इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज के सपोज इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस एज अ कंडक्टर एंड इफ चार्ज इज गिवन टू इट, से पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज गिवन टू इट, इफ इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज के कारण, इफ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पॉजिटिव चार्ज देयर इज एन इंक्रीमेंट इन इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. नाउ इफ देयर इज एन इंक्रीमेंट इन इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, देयर इज आल्सो एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अराउंड इट. सपोज दिस विल बी द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, दिस विल बी द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइक दिस. Okay, all around there will be an electric field if we are assuming a conductor. If we are go on increasing the charge, हम इस चार्ज को इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं, तो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज आल्सो गोइंग टू इंक्रीज. Now if electric potential also going to increase, same effect is there with the electric field. Around it there will be an electric field, that electric field also increase. Now if we are assuming there the conductor which is surrounded by air, means this conductor is surrounded by air, air चारों ओर है, तो क्या होगा, ये एयर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में इंक्रीमेंट के कारण that will ionize the air in near to it. Air is a bad conductor of electricity, but if it is given a high electric field, नियरली हम कहें कि एयर की जो है 3 × 10⁻⁶ वोल्ट पर मीटर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हम दे दें, सो ये एयर आयोनाइज हो जाएगी. द एयर विल गेट आयोनाइज्ड, एंड व्हेन एयर इज गेटिंग आयोनाइज्ड, व्हाट विल बी देयर, देयर विल बी आयंस, पॉजिटिव आयंस, नेगेटिव आयंस, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी देयर. ओके, सो दिस चार्ज विल लीड थ्रू दिस कंडक्टर बिकॉज दे विल गेट so there will be leakage of these charges which is residing on the conductor, and what it will reduce, it will reduce its electric potential also, but it will also reduce its capacity to hold the charge on this conductor. So we are having a certain limit on a single conductor. If we are go on increasing the electric charge, हम इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इंक्रीज हो रहा है, कंसिक्वेंटली इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी चेंज हो रही, और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इस ऑर्डर की हो गई, तो ये क्या करेगी, एयर को आयोनाइज कर देगी, इंसुलेशन फेल, और एयर आयोनाइज हो गया है अराउंड सराउंडिंग में, तो ये जो चार्ज है ये लीक हो जाएगा, चार्ज विल कम आउट फ्रॉम दिस कंडक्टर. एंड हमारा पर्पस था कि इस चार्ज को इस पर होल्ड करके रखना, दैट पर्पस इज फेल्ड, बिकॉज Q is equal to what, C into V, capacitance. We want to keep the charge on this conductor, so up to certain extent it can be retain the charge, but if charge increases, electric potential also increases, and because of that there is an ionization, and this ionization causes this charge to leak from it. So अब इसका solution क्या किया जाए, तो what we are doing, we are taking a conductor near to it. I am taking this, a conductor near to it. Okay, now what we are doing here, just I am erasing it and I will do it. Okay, so here what we are getting a conductor, say it is A, and we are placing another conductor near to it. Okay, say B. Now if we are giving charge to this conductor, is positive charge is given to it. Now because of this positive charge, there will be at this end, बीच कंडक्टर के इस ओर नेगेटिव चार्ज हो गया, there is a negative charge at this side and a positive charge at this side. Now we are having this having a separation, there is a distance between them, and what happens now we will see. Now this charge is having some potential over here. Okay. Now because of the negative charge, we know that V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. R is the distance at the point where we want to know the electric potential. Now because of the negative charge, electric potential is decreasing. Because of the electric potential, because of the negative charge, it is decreasing at plate A. ये इसका इफेक्ट आ रहा है जब हम एक प्लेट को, एक कंडक्टर को नियर टू दिस कंडक्टर ए रखना है. Now there is another effect of this positive charge which is at the another end, because we know that positive charge will get all the negative charge collected over here and positive charge will be collected at the other end. So negative charge is reducing the potential of this conductor A, whereas this positive charge is increasing the electric potential B at this A. So we can say VA is increased because of positive charge on B, and VA decreased because of negative charge on B. Another thing, this negative charge is very close to here and positive charge is a distance away from the negative charge as compared to negative charge. So there will be definitely increment of positive charge at V at A because of this positive charge, but negative charge decreasing it. So ultimate effect that we can have here, it is ultimate effect is a small amount of increment, a decrement in this potential at A. And if we know that Q is equal to C into V and Q upon V is going to be C for a constant charge, because charge is not changing. Change in electric potential, if there is a small change in electric potential, it is going to increase the capacitance. Okay, so capacitance can be increased by only this negative charge. Positive charge is increasing the electric potential and negative charge is decreasing the potential, but their total effect is a small amount of decrement in the electric potential. And because of that, what we are getting the capacitance which is equals to Q upon V. Okay, so when we are getting increment in this because of negative charge, so what we can do? Therefore, what we do, we ground it. Means all the positive charges are getting neutralized, or we can say the electrons are coming in this. So it will become totally negatively charged, and when it is totally negatively charged, so there will be decrement only, and this decrement only in electric potential, and in decrement, because of this decrement, the capacitance increases. Ultimately, our purpose is solved. This conductor is retaining the charge when we are keeping a conductor near to it. So it is developing what? Capacity, a capacitance. Because of the vicinity of this conductor, and it is now negatively charged, because all the charge are this positive charge are not there. We can have this like this. When it is grounded, only you will have this negative charge over here, and here it is positive charge. So finally what we are having? We are having a capacitance. So capacitance that we can get while keeping a conductor near to it, which will be negatively charged and positive charge are going to the ground. So ultimate effect of this negative charge is to decrease the electric potential of plate A, and we know that Q upon V, which is going to be equal to C. If there is a decrement in electric potential, definitely can. Suppose for an example, if we are having Q, say electric potential as say 5 volt, it is going to be what? It is, you can say 0.2 Q is equal to C. Now, for an example, if we are assuming that now the electric potential is decreased by 1 volt, means now there is a Q is equal to 4. What will be the result? 0.25 Q. Means capacitance now increased from year to year. Now you are getting more capacitance over here. Okay? 0.25 times Q, that will give the capacitance. Now here what you are getting? 0.2 times Q. See the result. So by this way we can make a capacitor, and this concept is used for the capacitance. Okay, so we will go with the concept of capacitance. Now if we have a capacitor, then definitely if you want to represent it symbolically, so capacitor is represented like this, the two plates like this. This is the symbolic representation. And if we are having this is the variable one, variable capacitor. This is the capacitor, fixed capacitor, which we can say its value is fixed. Okay. So here what we have got, we have learned about how we are getting the capacity by using another conductor to hold more charge on this. That is capacity, and that is the capacitor if you have made it a capacitor like this. Okay.